devices and digital integrator circuits. So today we are going to see the characteristics of logic gates, okay, or characteristics of digital integrator circuits. So we know our digital logic families are classified into two types. One is bipolar, the other one is unipolar. Okay. So in bipolar, it is again classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturator is again classified into DCTL, direct coupled transistor logic, resistor transistor logic, integrator injection logic, diode transistor logic, transistor logic, and high threshold logic. And unsaturated is again classified into two types. One is transistor logic, the other one is emitter coupled logic. Okay, and unipolar is again classified into PMOS, NMOS, and CMOS. So transistor diodes and resistors are main elements of a bipolar logic family, and but MOSFETs are used in unipolar family. So we are in the last class we saw that how logic family is classified into groups. Okay, MSI, LSI, VLSI, and here in this chapter we will be seeing about characteristics of each digital logic family. So these are the characteristics. First one is speed of operation, power dissipation, voltage parameter, current parameter, noise immunity, fan in, fan out, cost and availability. So first one we are going to see is logic levels. Okay, logic levels are also called as like voltage is they are measured using two types. One is voltage levels, other one is current levels. Okay, so logic levels are for the voltage levels. It is classified as logic high and logic low. The same applies for current levels. It is classified into logic high and logic low. So first one is high VOH minimum. Okay, so minimum output voltage in high state. So VOH min is 2.4 volt for TTL and 4.9 volt for CMOS. And second one is VOL max, and it is called as maximum output voltage in low state or logic 0. VOL max is 0.4 volt for TTL and 0.1 volt for CMOS. And VIH min is nothing but the minimum input voltage guaranteed to be recognized as logic 1. VIH min is 2 volt for TTL and 3.5 volt for CMOS. VIL max, maximum input voltage guaranteed to be recognized as logic 0. VIL max is 0.8 volt for TTL and 1.5 volt for CMOS. So next one that we are going to see is current levels. Okay, so here IOH minimum is nothing but maximum current the output can source in a high state while still maintaining the output voltage above VOH minimum. And IOL max is nothing but a maximum current output can sink in low state while still maintaining the output voltage below VOL max. Next one is II max, maximum current that flows into an input state in any into an input in any state. So next one is propagation delay. So propagation delay is also called as the speed that determines the speed of operation in a circuit. Okay, so the operating speed of any logic family is determined from the propagation delay. If a square wave is applied to the input of an inverter, the output of the inverter will be a square wave. The propagation delay is measured from the time difference between 50% logic transition of input from its initial value and 50% logic transmission of the output. There are two types of propagation delay, namely TPHL and TPLH. So propagation delay TPHL is the time delay when the output changes from high to low. It's a time delay when the output changes from high to low. Okay, so this region is called as TPHL. So similarly, when the TPLH is the propagation delay for the output change from low to high, so it is TPLH. Generally, TPHL and TPLH are very close to each other, and we consider the average value of when calculating the total propagation delay. It will be calculated the total value of TPHL plus TPLH. The propagation delay varies in between 1 to 20 nanoseconds. The proper operation of a logic gate, the time period of input signal must be more than propagation delay time. If the input frequency is high and cycle time is less than the propagation delay, then the switch starts malfunctioning.